Hi guys, my name is Aruna Srivastav. I'm gonna tell you how to make this speedboat. Okay, first, first we will first turn the paper like this. First turn the paper like this. Then like this. And after that, do it from the middle. And then flip the page back. And then put your hands here and do it, and then make it down and done. This is done. Then fold this to here. Then putting this here. Okay. Now next this here. This here and next here. Now flip the page back again and now do it like this. First one and in another second do it like this. Give me a second. Do it like this. Now next do this part to here, means like this, and this part also like this part here, and then do and then take this one and do it to the middle. Make it to the middle and then again make it to the middle. Then like this, take this part and open it. Okay, now here comes the tricky part. First now turn the page back again and then put the finger here and do it